Looking for excellent speakers and a stellar session lineup for your next event? From collecting abstract submissions to reviewing them, approving the right ones, and creating sessions at your event, vFairs lets you manage the entire process in one single platform. Want to see how the whole thing works? Let's dive in. The first thing to do during your call for papers process is to start collecting submissions. vFairs makes that easy with our highly customizable abstract submission forms. You can easily create forms for multiple submission types with a drag and drop editor. Plus, you can set deadlines and submission limits, ensuring things stay on schedule. Even once submissions are shared, submitters can keep editing them until your deadline, so last-minute changes aren't a problem. Next, we make the abstract review process easy. We understand every organizer has a unique review process, and that's why we have multiple options for you to accept and evaluate submissions. With vFairs, you can customize how reviewers are assigned to each submission, set specific evaluation criteria, and layered reviewer roles in acceptance or rejection. You will start by setting up your evaluation criteria, so the review process and scores are uniform regardless of who is reviewing. Here, you can set up any metrics you want the reviewers to keenly look at. This could include relevance, concept clarity, grammar, etc., with ideal scores against each. Now, it's time to assign reviewers to each submission. If you're managing a large number of submissions, vFairs lets you automatically assign reviewers based on their expertise and interest or through a round-robin system. But if you want more control, you also have the option to do this manually by selecting which submissions you want to assign to which reviewer. To make sure everyone gets a fair shot, you also have the option to set up single blind or double blind reviews. Once reviews are in, use the information from accepted abstracts to set up your event agenda. You can create sessions and speaker bios in a few quick steps. Now that your speakers are lined up and the agenda is set, the magic continues in the speaker portal. Speakers and session moderators can log in here to view their session details, explore co-speaker profiles, and answer attendee questions. That's not all. vFairs will also help you keep everything on track with automated emails at every step. You have the option to send emails to reviewers, submitters, and authors for each submission, review, and decision update. After the event, vFairs also helps you track everything that happened. Organizers can export detailed reports on submission status, reviewer feedback, and more. Spend less time chasing speakers and wrangling submissions. vFairs automates the grind so you can focus on hosting a standout event without the stress. Escape abstract management chaos with vFairs. Contact us for a demo.